my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow. Baby, please don't let me blow. You can't do this, but I know that I can. You gotta do this from the heart. You won't do this, you won't start. I just gotta play the cards in my hand.
What's going on, fam? Welcome back to another video. Today it's a beautiful day, man. In Texas it's like 65 degrees. A cold front rolled in last night and it literally feels amazing, man. I cannot wait for this winter weather. It's gonna be awesome. If you guys don't know, us in the South Texas, this is our racing weather. It's winter. So that's the awesome thing about Texas. We can race year round. And today, guys, you guys can tell by title and thumbnail, we are going to be doing a cold air intake install. So we already have a K&N on here. You guys are probably wondering why we're removing this one. It's still like, it's just like a starter intake. It's gonna be like more of like a, I don't know how to say it, like more of a starter intake, and just for a little bit of a mild bolt on and stuff like that. But this car, we're gonna be going for some power, man. So we're gonna be installing, I think it's 120 millimeter Pmas today, and it's gonna be huge, man. It's gonna be a huge difference. I believe we're gonna have to move this coolant reservoir over, and it's gonna have a huge filter right here, so shouldn't be hard. I feel like the install would have been a little bit more difficult, but you know, cold air intakes are always usually easy to install, but since there's already an aftermarket intake on there, I feel like it's gonna be easier. But yeah, guys, we're gonna install this intake today, and Phil is gonna be actually coming over to tune it for E85. So it's gonna be full catalyst exhaust, Pmas 120 millimeter cold air, and E85 tune, man. So this car should pick up some power today. And as you guys know, the car just got finished getting tuned for the 150 shot. So you guys have been wanting to see this race over and over again, and we are going to do that. So 150 shot 2 valve versus E85 intake exhaust tune S550, man. I feel like it should be a good run. We're gonna see. So without further ado, man, we're gonna get into this unboxing, and yeah, man, we're gonna show you guys what we have inside the box. All right, guys, so this is the box with the Pmas. You guys can see the bikes in the background, but you know, try to disregard that. But yeah, man, like I said, I figured that this is going to come with the relocation for, okay, this looks like the shielding, the rubber shielding for the airbox, and the huge intake elbow, and it already has the block off for the sound tube and a little bit of vacuum right there. But this elbow is freaking huge, man. So yeah, we're gonna put that aside, and we have all of our hoses. Pretty self-explanatory, guys. Cold air intakes are pretty easy to install, and yeah, here is the relocation bracket. Should be pretty easy, man. I'll walk you guys through a little bit more of a rubber hose. This is a huge air box, so they already have some of the hardware installed, which is pretty cool. And little insert of some sort. We're gonna figure out what that's for. And this should be the huge filter, which I'm excited to see. I don't know why, but your boy gets excited over intake filters. Oh my god, this thing is huge. That's what she said. But yeah, man, we're gonna go compare this right now to the old K&N. Freaking awesome. It's already pre-oiled and everything, so you guys can just tell. Look how massive that thing is. Literally, it takes up almost the whole intake. So you guys can see this thing is gonna flow a lot more air. If you guys are interested in that cold air intake, please hit me up at Fourpointsixchris on Instagram or Fourpointsixchris at yahoo.com. I'll ship it out to you guys for like 150 shipped. You know, I'm not gonna need it anymore. So if you guys want a little mildly, if you guys are gonna mildly build your S550, then you know that intake could be a good use for you. Yeah, man, we're gonna get to installing this thing. I'm gonna get some tools, and yeah, man, we're gonna put this thing on, and we'll see what's up. So right now, we're going to just start working on removing the intake. I assume I just gotta start removing all these clamps. I haven't looked at no videos or anything, so we're just gonna eyeball this thing. I probably need a flathead screwdriver. Alright, intake tube's out. I'm pretty sure we're not gonna use this because Pmas is so big. Oh man, just like that, it's out. Alright guys, we're back, and as you guys can see, this thing is installed, and man, it is a big one. And I know some of you guys are gonna tell already, I left the sound tube in there. I couldn't get back there without taking out the strut brace, and I really didn't feel like doing that, and I feel like the sound tube, leaving it in there will not hurt the performance, but Pmas comes with this plug so you can plug it in the back there, but you know, I feel like you don't necessarily have to remove it. Pmas already comes with this. It's already blocked off for the sound tube, but you know, if I necessarily have to remove that, please let me know. I'm not sure, you know, we're S95 guys out here, so yeah, I'm not sure, but you know, this was a pretty quick install, pretty easy. Hardest part honestly was getting this little part around the shield right here, and then using these self tappers to put the MAF in. But yeah, besides that, man, that's pretty easy. Not really time consuming, like I said. Plug is I have the plug, and this is the K&N. You guys want that, like I said, 150 shipped. I have all the hardware. I'm gonna box it up just for any of you guys. Hit me up, Instagram, Fourpointsixchris, 150 shipped, man. I'll send that to you guys. But yeah, man, that's gonna go ahead and wrap it up for the little install. Now we're gonna wait for Phil to show up and do his little magic on the tuning. Pmas recommends not to turn the car on because this is a tune required intake. So we're gonna leave the car chilling back here. You can see the SN95 back there. We're gonna leave the car chilling till he shows up. We're gonna tune this thing for E85. Probably run the rest of the 93 out. It's gonna be a flex tune, so run the rest of the 93 out, and then we'll fill up for E85 tonight. So yeah, man, I hit you guys up whenever we come back.
Have that Boss manifold and it's supported, and so I want to be able to use it.
Yeah, for sure. What do you rev those to? The ported Boss.
Oh, like 75, 8,000.
Yeah, I know those intakes are really good for boost.
Yeah, I mean, you can take it to 8K if you want.
Damn.
It just all depends on where the power drops off.
You put cams in too, right?
Yeah, I have the Boss 02 cams, exhaust cams, and then I have the LRM intake cams.
Oh yeah. Yeah, hell yeah, I felt the difference. Damn. Yeah, when I used to hit it before, it would only like chirp going into second. Yeah, that thing spun pretty good. So you said on the flex though, on the E85, you'll feel it more top end?
Yeah.
Let me make another hit.
Hang on to it.
Damn, dude, I wanted to stay in it.
Almost went sideways.
Damn, dude. I literally just did a first gear pull and hard shifted in a second, bro, and this motherfucker went sideways. I had to let out of it.
You're lying.
I swear to God.
Hey, so I don't have no rev limiter no more?
The rev limiter is at 75, right?
75.
Yeah, I just took it to 7,000. He said to shift it at 7,000.
Yeah, 7,200.
7,000 now?
Yeah, 7,000 or 7,200.
Yeah, there's no point going higher with the stock manifold.
Does it change colors though, like whenever it's lower now?
I don't think so.
When I'm going like towards the gate, it'll change colors.
Yeah. I didn't see it when I shifted. I was just trying to worry about shifting it.
Or flex fuel, right? It's not like I can pump 93 or flex.
Yeah, so
or E85.
yeah, so the way it's gonna work is we're on half a tank right now at 93. So we'll run it all the way out until like it says like 1 or 2 miles till empty, then top it off with E85, and then vice versa. Like say you're gonna go out of town, just pump it up with 93 when it's all the way low, E85. You know what I mean?
Ooh, I'm ready to smoke that ass.
And we're gonna see.
Hey, wait till I put that 150 shot on there. Done. Yeah,
Right.
but hey, tell Phil I say shout out to him, appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem, dude.
All right, bro.
No doubt. Alright, bet. Later, dog.
Bro, I didn't think it was gonna feel that different.
I think so.
Nah, dude, it picked up a lot. I wonder how much power it picked up. Like I said, like going first and the second go a little bit. That thing was just roasting it.
And the whole first gear was.
Yeah.
And then when you shifted to the second is when it let loose.
Yeah. All right, guys. As you guys can tell, the S550 picked up quite a bit of power. Like I was telling Phil, and I'll get to the hand in a minute. Like I was telling Phil in the video, the car would spin a little bit in first, chirp in second, and you know that was it. After he did the revision pull, I pulled it in first gear, spun all the way through first, spun through second, and you know the car got loose. So yeah, it did catch me by surprise. I really didn't think I was gonna pick up that much power because just like tuning wise on the 2 valve, I try to compare you know the car to the 2 valve, and the 5.0 to the 4.6 is really uncomparable, but that's naturally what I do in my mind, so they're uncomparable. The Coyote picked up a lot of power. I'm suspecting it should be around 420 to 430 to the wheel, which it should be a good run, man, with the nitrous 2 valve. You guys seen the video last week. If you guys haven't seen it, click that link right up there. But yeah, man, the 2 valve picked up quite a bit in power also. It's gonna be a really good run. I can't wait for it. And yeah, man, it was fun. We went ahead and installed the Pmas and the E85, and the car is, you know, it made a big difference. My brother's really happy about it. And I just want to give you guys a little update on the hand. I ended up getting surgery on the hand. You guys can tell my pinky and my other finger are put together. So they actually gave me a choice if I wanted to do surgery or not, and this is my dominant hand, as you guys can tell. And yeah, man, I ended up going through with the surgery. They said I didn't have to, but the way my fingers, the way the bone was broken, my finger was naturally wanting to go inside already after the break. And it's not about, you know, caring what my hands look like. If it was my left hand, I would have told them to cut it off, you know, to whatever. If I didn't need it, whatever. If it was my left hand, this is my dominant hand. I do everything with this hand, and I just wanted my hand to be the same. So they said my hand should come back like 95%. I can move my fingers now. You guys can tell I could move my fingers. Right after I got out of surgery, man, my hand was literally numb. I couldn't even feel my fingers at all, and it didn't come back till the next day. So I was like a little bit nervous about that, but my hand's good. It's healing. I'm in pain, but you know, your boy's dealing with it. It'll be all right. I have a follow-up next week, so we're gonna see what happens. See if they get me into something smaller, because as you guys can see right now, man, it's kind of hard to grab the mouse. So you guys drop a thumbs up for your boy, man, because I'm still editing for you guys, still working for you guys, instead of, you know, just sitting on my ass and not doing anything. And you know, I know you guys want some videos, so drop a thumbs up for your boy for, you know, trying his hardest, man, to stay out here and stay, you know, grinding. But yeah, man, next week we have another video for you guys, and you know, I'm just trying to come up with more plans, more videos for you guys to, you know, keep you guys occupied while, you know, all of this stuff is going on with me. So don't worry, man, we will be back soon. I'm gonna make the 2 valve gang proud, man. We're gonna run the S550 back, and we are going to dub, man. I promise I'm gonna make the 2 valve gang proud. We're gonna give you guys some video advice today. Alright, man, so this quote that I saw it on Instagram, and it was you know, it means more to me than just a couple of words. So it says, you're going to get back more than you lost. The chapter is called Making More Room. So basically, man, what that means is you know, you're gonna bounce back, man, no matter what. If something happens in your life and you know it's a setback like this, it's a minor setback for a major comeback, man. I really believe that, and there's a greater plan in store, and you know, you can't beat yourself down about it. You always got to look on the positives, man. The positives are way out the negatives, man. And yeah, I truly believe that. I truly believe I have a plan for me, and God has a plan for me, and you know, we're gonna bounce back from it, man. So if you're going through anything, don't beat yourself up about it. Look at the positive sides of everything, man. Look at the glass half full. I promise you, man, that positive mindset will save you, and just keep on going, man. Keep on grinding for your dreams and your aspirations, and they will come to life. Yeah, man, that's all I got for you guys today. We'll see you guys on the next one. It's your boy 4.6 Chris. See y'all later, man. Peace.